Hello, so today I'm going to be introducing our MMB Android 9.0 on a Porsche with wireless Apple CarPlay and of course with wired Apple CarPlay with a Type-C port for Apple CarPlay. So we'll be using our special cable, our Type-C to C cable, which you need to specify when checking out. Okay, so now I'll take out the product and then I'll show you how to connect it, and we'll show you how it works. So when you open the package, you'll see these few components. So you have our certification, our manual, user manual, and of course our MMB Android 9.0 dark blue version, and the GPS kit is here for navigation uses for some vehicles. Other than that, I'll take it out and show you how it works. Okay, so this is our MMB Android 9.0 dark blue, and since this Porsche uses a Type-C USB port, I'm actually using our special cable. Special cable being that both sides is a Type-C. Okay, so a lot of people plug it in and then they think it's defective because there isn't power to the product. But what happens is, because one side is data in and one side is data out, to figure out which one you need to plug into the car and which one into the product, simply find the USB sign on the one side of the cable, and with the sign you plug it into the car. So without the sign, you plug it into the product, like so. And now plug this into the car. So I plugged in the product, and now I just have to wait around 5 to 10 seconds for the system to boot up. Okay, so once you've plugged in our product, you'll see an Android 9.0 system. So as you swipe right, you'll see some applications that you can use, like Bluetooth phone, wireless CarPlay, and then you can check out version, and you can even go back to the factory interface by clicking onto car, and back into it by clicking into phone, and then use CarPlay, like so. And you can go into more apps to check out more preloaded applications like Netflix or YouTube. And if you want to download more applications, you can go onto Google Play Store app right here. So now I'll show you some applications or functions that are additional to the Android 9.0 compared to the Android 7. One of them being a split screen function. So the split screen function can be activated on any applications that you use on Android OS, excluding like mirroring or CarPlay, etc. So now I'll show you how it works. So for example, you'd like to use YouTube. So I'll click on YouTube. Normally, of course, you'll have internet, but we can't access YouTube here. But I'll just show you how it works anyway. So once you're on an application, you simply click on the split screen button here on the side panel, which you can move like this. So just click on the split screen button, and then you'll see other applications that you've opened, and then you just click on any that you want to split screen as well. And I'll just click Google Maps. And then once you've clicked Google Maps, split screen is basically activated. You can watch YouTube. So basically I'm going to load YouTube right now, or you can navigate to a destination on Google Maps. And then once you start navigation, you have a video playing on your right hand side as well. You can cancel the split screen by either dragging to the right or dragging to the left to keep an application, or you can simply just click the split screen button again.